Don't tell me I've been muted all this time, talking all this knowledge. Oh man, I can't even go back and look at this. All right, I don't know why I'd be muted. Yo, bro, guess what happened, man? Let me show you what happened. I was gonna go over this, man. I would have been done. So this is gold, bro. Gold is too much, bro. Like, bro, it's like if I enter gold, bro, that don't, bro. I entered gold. I'm gonna tell you where I entered gold. It was Sunday. I ain't gonna lie. It was Sunday night because gold is one of them Jones. I entered gold right here. I entered gold right here. Let me tell you. I entered gold right here. When I tell you that shit barely went down and I was down $300, I had to get out, bro. I had to get out. I had to get out because it's gold. They needed like a smaller version of gold, bro, for the prop firm. Bro, I did the minimum lot. One. I just did a one. I can't do no lower on FTMO. You can't do no lower on gold. Let me see. You can't do no lower. Let me see. Bro, you can't do no lower. I did a minimum. Like let me see. Go if I go to trade. Granted, I could have passed with flying colors if I just held it, bro. But when I was down like barely, look from here. Look at this. So I entered. What's that one I entered? Move all this. I'm gonna tell you where I entered. This is where I entered. Look. So cause I know it was about to pop out. I entered like right here. Once I seen this, it went up when the market was soon as the market opened, it just rose up. I'm like, it's gonna rise up again. Cause anything you already know long term, anything. Delete this. It's coming back to here now. It's coming back. I just fuck, man. This is when I wish I had a real account. Because look. So it's gonna go back up to here. So 5 minutes in, it was like right here. I think I entered like right here. Like at the it was about to break out. So I entered like right here. When I tell you the shit went to like right here, and I was down like $300-400. I said, "Oh my fucking gosh, I can't fuck with gold. I can't even fuck with it." Cause even so, even if I just waited a little bit, I probably would have been done. I would probably been up 2 bands, like 3 bands right here, 3 bands right here. I probably would have been up like 2,000 right here. 2,000, take that, give me that. But overall, I know where the market is going. Like I said, man, I probably got to do my yeah, I'm gonna just wait for a regular account, or I had the E8 prop firm, but let me see. You can? Let's see. Oh shit. No. Hold up. Hold up. I think you can. Yeah. Okay. My retarded ass. You can do it. So this what happened. I'm dumb as fuck, bro. No, because this what happened. US 30 and Nas, I couldn't do it. All I could use was one. But now since I got it was what's it called? Fucking options, or you gotta trade and futures, whatever the fuck it was. And then I deleted it and traded it to like Forex pairs. And then gold. I was barely trading gold. So I'm like, everything I'm using was one. Like everything I was using on this shit was fucking one. So I was like, okay. Fuck, man. I could have passed this shit by now. This was a good trade too, bro. This was like a. This was like a. This is A plus quality trade, man. Fuck this, bro. Cause gold is about to soar, bro. Anything above here is going to fucking soar. I said that shit, bro. Man, fucking fuck, man. So what I'm waiting for now is fucking really 30. 30 is the best option. I never traded gold. All I traded on was GJ, Nas, and 30. I never traded gold on a prop firm yet. That was the thing. I never traded gold. But all they kept letting me use was one. That's all the minimum they was making me use. Shit. But gold, I know you probably could use less because I don't it's like I'm horrible at explaining. So these the only 4 shits I trade. But US 30 and US Nas 100 and US 30, it was like what's them shits called? Futures. They was like you gotta hold till March. So they was on some different type terms. Then I deleted that and I said, bro, let me trade this shit like Forex. And then they picked that one. Because it's different type of US 30s on here. So I'm like, man, and they kept letting me trade one. Once I deleted that and noticed you could trade other shit. I think Forex you only could trade one lot too, though. You know, gold I could trade anything. I did not know that, bro. Because I just typed in point. Like you see the focus. You probably can't even fucking focus. Like I couldn't even type in a 0.1. Like you couldn't type that shit in on like 30 pairs. Like on Ford, like you couldn't type that shit in. You just couldn't. Like the minimum was now you can. It's kind of weird. 0, 1. When I first got this account, you couldn't type that shit in. Like the minimum I could use was one lot. I didn't had a problem with it, but when for gold, I was like, man, I might have a problem with it. Shit, I would have entered like a 0.15, 0.1. Cause that shit hit 300 quick. I said, damn. Once that shit went back up, I think I was up like $80. I just exit that shit. But look, even if I waited, I'm not risking shit. Even if I waited like fucking 30 minutes, I probably would have been done. Damn, for real? Bro, I didn't trade in like 9 days, bro. This was the best setup I seen. This was an A+ setup right here. I said if gold past here is going up with flying colors. Yeah, you probably could have gotten gold early though. You could have gotten gold like hella early. Right off the lower time frame. But all right, let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Like right here. Off a lower time frame. Could have bought gold like right here. Stop loss, maybe like right here. Yeah. This is the earliest you probably could have bought gold. If you want to risk it, buy here. Close out like right here. And then just hold on till whenever you want to feel like it. Yeah, I'm just trying to pass a prop firm. Ain't nothing wrong. I don't see nothing wrong with the prop firm. It just it's I can't say it seems slow. It just because this is how I trade my real account. I just this was just an A+ setup. Well, gold, damn man, I'm just upset. If I knew I could have added that 0.1, shit, I would have been doing step 2. Yeah, I need it. Nah, you right about that. I just want to fund my real account. I just want to add some funds to the real account. That's it. Cause I could throw a little 3,000 in, but that ain't shit low key. So it ain't really shit. At least I want like 10K in my real account. That's what I'm gonna just get the first payout, get my money back, throw what 600 in that. Second pay, I'm gonna just get like 3K, 3K, 3K. And then I'm gonna just fund my real account, trade my real account and this account until either I blow this shit or Just forever holding. But some niggas hold prop firm shits for like 2 years. They never blow their shit. Maybe I could just be like that. Never blow my shit. Just keep making like 2 bands, a little $2,000-$3,000. But man, fuck, man, this was a nice setup. This was like, cause low key, this is my. I'd have had something like, maybe like this. This is my real entry. If I would have entered from here and waited, but I probably would have been. I probably would have entered. I probably would have entered a low lot. I just like the E8 shit because I'd have been like, let me just lose 1,000, and they'd just put in a lot size for me. And they'd be like, okay, it's a 0.43 lot size if you want to lose 1,000. MetaTrader, they don't do that shit for you. I don't like that. That's all they need to add for MetaTrader. Just let you calculate how much you want to lose. I don't give a fuck about how much pips it is. I wish they did that. But yeah, this is the gold. Nice. This is a nice setup. It can come back. It can come back as long as it doesn't like break like lows. This is like the guarantee low, but I wouldn't want it going lower than this because when the last time it broke out, it was here. I wouldn't want it going lower than like so somewhere like right here because this where it broke out at right here. So it popped out here. Bam. Let's see the 4 hour. So a little boom, boom, breakout. So right here is probably the lowest it could go for 4 hour purposes. But for our purposes, this is the lowest. But it's made another low. So we're gonna have to go with this. We're gonna have to go with this low. We're gonna go with this low. So if it does come back down here, this gotta be our stop loss because the hour already look, it's keep making highs. So I can't even trade this off the hour, making this the low. I can't make this the low because it can't come down as long as it don't break this and it just break back above here. Is good. But I think it's gonna like respect this. I don't think it's gonna come all the way down there. Hopefully, please, hopefully it come back down though. So if it could come back down somewhere right here, I'll be okay. I don't think it is though. I really don't think it is. I seen this from gold somewhere. Like I think this wouldn't happen. It just popped out, came back down. Oh, it might come back down. I seen this. Yeah, this was like December. Oh no, it was right here. It came back down, came up, came back down. Bam. It could do the same thing. It could come back down. As long as it doesn't break here, I enter. Nas. Like I said, Nas, I got a B plus setup. I don't know if you was here. My shit was muted, so I'll go over this one again. I would rather this buy right here. This is like the hourly buy. Like this is like early entry buys. Like you're not gonna lose that much. So I wouldn't mind like just make you lose like $400, but you could enter here and then re-enter here your main one. But if it does come back here, you just I don't fucking know. You can exit, but I think Nas is gonna break out the birth. I like 30 more though. I get 30 a little bit more time. I ain't got no. It's still bullish to me, but if it break this right here, it's over. It's over. If it break this, it's over. We got to see what 30 do. If it break down here, it's over. Yeah, it's still bullish, but if it break this, it's over. I'm done with it. I'm kind of done with Nas, but 30 is so fucking. Overall, this is bullish. Overall, it's ranging low key, but overall, it's bullish. Like daily wise, 4 hour wise is bearish. 4 hour is showing because it keeps selling, sell, sell, sell. But on the lower time frame, it's going up. So we could just take advantage. You see it's going up. We could take advantage. It's not breaking no lows. If anything above here can come here. Did it once already. Can't happen again. Usually I like going off the first one, hit equal highs. That's perfect. As long as it hit equal highs, that's all you could really ask for. As long as you hit equal highs, you go break even or not. And then if it comes above here, could hit equal highs again and then keep going up. Or you can hit, if I enter from here, if it hit equal highs, I just go break even. I don't care if it wicks up. But this is like my main entry. I feel more safe buying here and then just holding that bitch. I don't feel too safe buying here because it can still drop. Like I know guarantee if it comes back here, that's why it was like this for this one. It just the prop firm you lose so fucking much. Now that I know I could enter a point like 3, I probably would have entered something a little lighter right here. I would have entered something way lighter. If I could enter this, probably enter something way lighter right here. I could enter something a little high right here, like a little one, a little one lot. Let me see, because I wouldn't lose that much. If I enter from here. Yeah, I only lose like 300. So like even if I enter like a 1.5, 3.5, what 5, probably about 600. I lose about 600. Or if I just enter from here, even this is even higher. I could pass the prop firm. I need like 2 bands left. I remember I lost that one. I was at 109. Now I'm at like 108. Oh yeah, I'm at like 108. 30, I like a little more because it's you know it's bird. Like it's not like 30 just look a little better. It just dropped so hard. Maybe because I think Nas is trying to come back with it. There it goes about. Yeah, this shit. Yeah, Nas. Yeah, Nas. This is just like an early entry. I'm just not gonna throw a high lot size. Like I won't mind losing $500 off this. I won't be mad like, hey, I really lost this shit. It's just early entry shit. But I'll buy again, like right here. This is like a better entry. Like we know it's going up once they come above here. 30. Whoo. 30 might take some time to come back. It's a better buy though. I promise you it's a better buy. As long as it doesn't break here, it's a better buy. Cause look, it just retrace. It's all it is just retracing. Look, all it is retracing. As long as it don't break here, I'm good. Once it break there, I'm done. I'm done with that shit. It's just retracing. But anything on my goal, I'm gonna just buy. Like I said, granted, it can still go up because it kind of broke gold. You could have just bought right here. In all honesty, why didn't I buy right here? I don't even fucking know. I don't even know why I didn't buy right here. Because I would have bought. I'm not even gonna hold you, but this would have been my stop loss. Oh nah, yeah, because my stop loss was so big, I didn't want to buy it. That's why I didn't buy. I didn't want to buy. I was like, if it come down and come up again, I'll buy. The stop loss was too damn big. That's why I didn't want to buy this shit. But I really believe it's not even gonna break this though. If it do, it just you lose some, you win. You don't win them all, but you win majority. Like the only one I ever lost was I still don't even count it. I just exited this because my lot size was so damn thin. Oh no, this was break even. Think which one did I lose? Only lost really like one. GJ, did I lose GJ? Nope. I remember I entered GJ from here. It hit equal highs. Boom. Came down. GJ kind of, I don't know. Low key. Nah, I wouldn't fuck with GJ right now. GJ just not good. It's just not it right now. Because even if I try to buy, it's selling. You'd have bought bars. Could have bought something right here. Hit equal highs. Came back to original highs. Came down. Yeah, I'm not fucking with GJ. GJ just look like it doesn't know what it want to do. Like you see how it was just trending. This is like it's down, but it's like I don't want to sell it. I just don't want to sell. This is gonna fill though. Yeah, GJ gonna break back up. It just if I bought, it would have been something like when if I would have really bought like just long term. Uh, let me see. I'm waiting for this to break. That's what it was. Yeah, I can't. I'm just waiting for the market to tell me what they want to do, low key. Because once it kept breaking like lows, boom, boom, it can still sell. That's why I'm not really too fond on the buys right now. Like it's really bearish, but I don't want to sell because this majority is going to keep going up. So I'm waiting for bullish momentum. Like once it just keep breaking up, come back down, I'm gonna just get in where I fit in. Cause I was gonna buy right here, but I'd have been kind of guessing for me. Cause look, I was just bought right here, stop loss, somewhere like right here. No, I had this originally though, like right here. Yeah, I had this originally. I was like, this is pretty good. It's not a bad buy though. It's not a bad. It's just not the best. But it's not a bad buy. I had that originally, but I was like, nah, I don't like that. I'm gonna just wait. GJ, it maybe by the end of the week it's gonna look good. I see Nas maybe going in for a buys tomorrow. I see 30 taking its time. I feel like I think that I know what I think 30 is going to do. I think it's going to give us some fake outs. Like it's going to push down here, then it's going to wick back up on a 4 hour or something. If as long as it wicks back up on a 4 hour, I don't give a fuck what this do. But if it breaks and it just keep going down, I'm not respecting it. And it comes back up, you know it's going to come here. And yeah. So that's what I got for 30. Nas, I feel like I could enter this Nas gold. I'm already going, but it's dropping, so we might could get in. We might could get in if it comes back down and goes back above without breaking lows. We just gonna get in. We just gonna enter a low lot size. Google, yeah. Let me see. Let me see, cause I was going over one time. I was just going over like anything I see. Let me see, Google. I got a fucking bed and I don't my jury. Let's go to weekly. The weekly talking about. Weekly wise is a bullish. mm, weekly. Let me see. Is there anything above here? Let's go to 4 hour. Yeah, for the long run, like I said, good like stuff like this is always gonna go up. So I don't know. I just don't like even third, like Nas is bearish. 4 hours bearish, but it's like I'm not listening to shit that goes up all the fucking time. It just doesn't like it just doesn't make sense. Like granted, this is bearish. It just sometimes in a market when I had to realize trading for so long, it's just sometimes you just not gonna trade this shit. Like it's either you don't trade it or you can sell with it. It's just I don't like to. Yeah, just wait. That's all. Like I just don't like to. That shit just because most of the time this shit goes up. Just catch it when it at its low, and then it goes up. I just don't. I don't know. Yeah, that's why. That's what I did with gold. I'm not doing that shit no more because I know gold majority of the time it goes up. If it's a forex pair, fine, it might sell. Like forex is like, but shit like gold, Tesla, majority of the time the shit going up. I'm not selling no more, bro. I'm not selling. I'd rather just wait. Like, let's see. Let's go back to Google. Yeah, Google is one of them shits. It's like I won't even look at the structure if I just I just buy and just hold that bitch. But yeah, it do look like it's going up off the hour though. Yeah. Yeah, I just buy and hold that shit. Yeah, I just buy and hold that shit. I like Google. It look nice though. Thumbs up, boom. It broke out that right here, or right here. Comes back, doesn't break low. Yeah, I like Google. Nah, Google's before. Google's Google kind of smooth though. Breaks highs, yo. Google kind of smooth though. Was trending. This shit kind of smooth. Like it follows trend to a T, low key. It low key kind of follows trend to a T. Like you know when not to buy, low key. Like in all honesty, because it never shows buys. Like this might have, but you just get faked out. Boom. It don't. This might have been a good fake out. I ain't gonna hold you. That would have been a good fucking fake out. This would have been a super good fake. But I feel like it hit equal highs for some odd reason. If I go to a lower time frame, I can tell you it probably hit equal highs. Like it broke out. Look, boom. Yeah, it came here. Yeah, no, it didn't. It came here, but I ain't gonna say nothing. I don't know. But overall, it's some nice buys in this bitch. Yeah, because I would have thought to buy. I'm like, okay, it's time to go up. Buy back all the way up here. Then it went back down. Then it goes down again. Then you buy right here. Buy. Doesn't want to break. Then it goes all the way back up to high. But Google could just keep going up low key. Like weekly is a fucking buy. Because look, it just broke through all this shit. Buys here, hits equal highs, go even beyond. So it could come here. As long as it don't break this, I wouldn't be too bad on Google. I like Google though. Google smooth. Google real smooth. I like Google. So real smooth. Let me look at something now. I know the video just been in this weird, nasty spot. Google just been in the video just been in some weird. I feel like the video's gone. Bro, once the video fuck all this what I drew. Yo, Nvidia. I think Nvidia gonna fucking pop. I think Nvidia's gonna make new highs in all honesty. Cause look, bro, I know what the hell. Look, it would have been sales if it came. It never came back down. Bro, if it comes here, I think it's gonna go like I ain't gonna lie, like probably like probably probably like right here. I ain't gonna hold you. I can't tell where it was. God damn, let me push it up. At least like right here. I ain't even gonna hold you. If it break 200, yeah, I'm going to 250. Shit. Yeah, because Nvidia just been ranging for so long. So I feel like, and it's not breaking down. Oh, yeah, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is a nice bar. If it goes above 200, it's a nice bar. Shit, I gotta go now. Yeah, guarantee is gonna come back to here. So what's that? 211. But I think it's gonna go to like 240. But I can't tell the market what it wants to do. But guarantee this is like I'd have took something here or at least go break even. But yeah, I can't really tell the market what it want to do. But I just think since it's ranging so hard, if it breaks here, it's gonna come. All right, let me see. Breaks. Come above. Uh, let's see. It's like that's what I'm scared with Nas. I don't really want. I like 30 buys way better than Nas because Nas, it is still saying it can go down. That's why I just kind of want to enter early off this, and I might not even want to buy here because Nas it is not going up. It's not like it went equal highs already. It can go equal highs again, but it's most likely to go equal highs the fucking first time it ever goes above. But second time, but it still can go equal highs. But I'm gonna just buy early and just once it hit here, I don't know. I'm gonna just buy early. I'm not even gonna buy right there. Cause if it just go down, it goes down. I wouldn't give a fuck. Nah, that I ain't gonna lie. The video, yo, the video going shit. This like an A+ right here. This is a nice little setup. Let me see. Oh, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. I would have lost this shit. Boom. Yeah, Amazon would have got me. Mm-hmm. Amazon would have got me. I probably low key not even entered that, but I ain't gonna say it. Let me stop. I probably would have. A nice little 1-2, yeah, yeah. You don't win them all. As long as you win majority of them, though. Meta shit coming back though. Meta coming back. I would have just entered early off this fucking gap. Oh man, no, it had another gap. I like this though. As long as it don't break lows, I probably enter like somewhere right here off Meta. Let me see something else. I feel like Netflix is just it's just I don't know. I feel like it's just good long term. I gotta just buy. Let me see the hood. What hood talking about? Got the board right there. Or the board right here. Another bars in. Once it made this low, you don't really buy again. You got a board right here. Like you see, win 4-4. Like you said, you don't win them all. Boom. You the board right here. Came down. Doo-doo. This is made low, so I probably would have just stopped buying. Yeah, I probably would have just stopped buying low key. And then I ain't gonna lie, you could buy sometime soon or Robinhood. You buy long term. Now this is a good time to buy long. Let's look at Tesla. Like I said, Tesla, I'm always right. Like I just don't like selling. Like I kept saying this. I would sell right here. I just don't like selling, bro. I just don't like selling. I knew it's the market is it just looks ugly if it goes down here and never hits here. It just like the market just don't do shit like that. Like when you really just keep looking at the market over and over and over and over and over, it just don't do shit like that. Like it don't. It's just going at least like even if it wants to go up, it could come somewhat around this area, and it can go back up. I'm not saying it, but if it breaks down here, it at least have to feel like 50% of it. That's why I said sometimes even so, like GJ to me, in all honesty, is a sell. But even if it wants to sell, in all honesty, even if it wants to sell, it has to come back up to sell. Like it just unless like this is the buy area, it comes from here to at least that's why I say this gotta fill. This just has to fill for me. Like granted, that's why I was like, I want to buy here. Even if it comes here and it comes back down, I don't have a problem with that. It's just following the market. But like cause even if it wants to sell, if it wants to sell, it just keeps selling. Like, but if it comes up here, like above this goal, it could come here. Like, even if it's a sell, it could come here and then just come back down because it's selling. It's breaking lows. It's just the market just don't make fucking stupid like I don't know. They just don't make mistakes like that. Like even gold. I like how gold is dropping. This looks nice. They making me want to get back in this. Yes, this looks nice. Nice. Let me see the daily. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I like it. Let me see the hour real quick. Yeah, it's making high. Yeah. It's gonna stay. It's gonna stay above. Yeah, I'm gonna catch that gold now. You probably want to do a little comeback action. I like gold. Like I said, all it is retracing. It ain't. You ain't gotta get a little scared, but it is retracing. Let me see the hour though. Might could even enter off the hour. Might can. Might could enter off low key. You really can. Low key. Low key, you can. Low key, you can. I wouldn't want to. I think it's gonna go down a little more because it's just. I would like it to go down a little more because even if it does stay above, it could come here, equal highs, and then just go back down. I wouldn't mind that. Even though that's not a bad entry. It's not a bad entry. You could just do equal highs and then go back down. What the fuck was I looking at? Robinhood. Tesla. Oh yeah, Tesla. That's what I was talking about. Like you see, if I was thinking about buys, it breaks here, it never comes back above. So you just don't buy this shit. Um, Sales, what it does, sell right here. Sales, what? Sales right here. It's just, and then the super buys is right here. That's it. So easy. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Yeah, I'm gonna be on this. Hopefully, we can get either gold or Nas by tomorrow. 30 just gonna have to wait. Gold or Nas by tomorrow. Mainly kind of gold. But gold you could buy like kind of somewhat right now. I just don't want to. I like Nas a little bit better. Yeah, I like Nas a little bit better. It's like it's not really breaking right here. So as long as it kind of come above here, you can buy. It's not breaking and it's a buy trend. Gold. No, it's like gold. It's kind of want me to buy now. It's just I don't want to. But then yeah, an auto. Like I said, it's the same thing. All right, and that's it for today, man. I'll be up here tomorrow.